When trying to quickly check the CPU temperature on a Windows operating system, we find ourselves at a dead end, since the built-in programs do not provide this information to the user. So, let's solve this problem. In this video, I will show you how to check the temperature of your processor running on the Windows operating system. First, click on the search field and type the word Speccy. This is the name of the program. After the search result appears, click on the button See More Search Results. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. Your web browser will open with the search results. Here, we are looking for the website ccleaner.com. Click on the download button of the first result in the list. On the opened program download page, click the download button at the bottom of the column under the title Free Speccy. The program download will start. After the download is complete, click Open File. The installation of the program will start. Click Customize to make sure that nothing extra will be installed along with the program. Everything is fine. Click the Install button. After the installation process is complete, uncheck the box, View Release Notes, and click the Run Speccy button. In the opened program, in the CPU section, you will be able to see the current temperature of your processor. Thank you for watching.